y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Disclosure, I don't know if anyone knows that I suffer from traction alopecia. So at one point I did shave all my hair off, but it grew back a little bit, so I just kept this part for some units that I've been making and that I've been wearing. But today's a special install on a wig that I purchased from FixxdBeautyBundles. This is my third time purchasing from them, and I'm excited. I wanted to do the unboxing of the wig for you guys, and then the rest of the video is basically going to be like a voiceover. Okay, so but yeah, so this is my traction alopecia. So this is a perfect canvas for a wig install. Just gonna put that out there. Okay, so this is my package. I'm so excited. Okay. Comes in this nice box. So I'm out of town. I'm in Memphis. Attending a wedding today, so I wanted to wear my wig for my wedding. Card about hair products to get with the hair care instructions. I always read these because I've been wanting to know, and I paid a pretty nice penny for this wig. Okay. Oh. Okay, FixxdBeautyBundles, they gave me a melt belt, okay, with their logo on it. I'm gonna wear this melt belt out, baby. Okay, I can't open it right now. Y'all gonna see it in a minute. What else I got? I got something else. I got some lace tag. Oh my God, thank y'all. Oh, it's caramel. Cause you know I'm a caramel boo, okay? Okay, caramel, lace tint. Okay then. Oh, and here's to my lovely wig. Oh, I love this. I love this packaging. I love this bag. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, she long. Oh. Okay, this is 22 inches of some beautiful rose gold hair. Oh, custom color. Oh, baby. Oh, it was so thick. Oh, I'm in love. I am in love. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm finna. Oh, I'm finna. Oh. And they gave me an extra bundle. Is this an extra bundle? Baby, this is an extra bundle. I love y'all. I love y'all so much. FixxdBeauty, oh my God, I love y'all. Look at this. Look at, baby, I'm finna give this a good bone straight pressing, okay? Look at that. Oh, look. What lace? What lace? Hold on. Let me see. What lace? Ooh. I ain't even got no wig cap on. Y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh, I can't wait to get my makeup done. Oh, ooh. Should I do baby hairs? I don't even think I should do no baby hair. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, wait till I get my makeup done. Oh my God. Stay tuned for the video. So right here is the bands on the wig. Okay, wig cap, okay. And yeah, so I'm trying this wig cap on. It's so thick.
Oh my God, it's so thick. I was thick upset, but it's okay. So yeah, just seeing what I need to do. Pulling it all the way down. I wanted to try this. I ain't tried it before, so I'm gonna pull it all the way down. Cutting out my ear holes. Okay. Yep, cutting out the ear holes. Now this is the fun part. I'm finna cut out my eyes. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it so bad. Cut them eyes out, okay?
For this wig cap to cost as much as it did, it shouldn't be. I should have stuck with it. I wanted to try this method because everybody else been doing it. I can't fucking breathe. Okay, now I can breathe.
I'm blaming y'all. I look crazy as hell. So, anyways, glue choice is Erica J Watermelon Hold Me Down glue. I learned this method. I forget who did it on YouTube, but this is how I tack down the wig caps with a little bit of the glue. It stays pretty good. It clears way better for when you get ready to cut it. The rest of the excess wig cap off, it just makes it look way better. So yeah, got my blow dryer. I got this blow dryer from off of Amazon because of course I saw somebody on YouTube with it, so I had to have it. So yep, about to cut off the excess cap. But y'all see how clear it dried? It look like my skin. Oh yes, baby. Fuck is you saying? It's just so it's just laid. Now I'm taking my little cheap ass foundation that I got from Walmart. I think it was like $10, but I didn't had it for 2 years. It's almost running out now. Yep, just covering the front where the lace would be with the foundation. I just like using the foundation better. About to try the wig on. See where I gotta put my glue at. Okay. See where I need to put my glue. So I'm putting the glue. Now I only use one layer, but I use, quite a bit of glue for that one layer because I was gonna wear this the whole weekend that I was in Memphis. So basically just for 2 days. I didn't want to put 2 and 3 layers on it and have a hard time trying to get it off. Cause baby, this Erica J Hold Me Down Watermelon scent glue is the motherfucking truth, bitch. If you motherfucking buy this stuff and you do 3 or 4 layers, I pray for however you can take your wig off. Because, baby, that thing is not going to move. Period. So, yeah, I'm going to keep blow drying it. Yes, for the mini twerk session. Because, baby, I don't even think I'll listen to the music. But, yep, now I'm about to apply my lace. Melt that thing on the fuck end, baby. What scalp?
Baby.
Where?
Scalp.
Where do you see? Where the lace at? Can you see it? Where is it? Where the fuck is the lace? Hello? Where is it? Nowhere. Fuck is you saying? Ooh, FixxdBeautyBundles. Oh, they lace is impeccable. It's not to be fucked with. I swear to God. Yes. So now I'm finna cut off whatever is extra that I don't need, which is not a whole lot. So yeah.
I can't even find the lace, fool. Like, I can't find it. Ooh, it's this kind. Oh my God, y'all cutting up. Y'all is cutting up. Oh my God, this is perfect.
This melt belt is so near and dear to me, baby. It has elastic band on it. Do you know this is my favorite? I'm not even using this on none of my clients. No, they don't get this. No, baby, this mine's, all mine's. Fix Beauty Bundles. This motherfucking melt belt is the fucking truth. I love y'all for this. And it was a gift. It was an extra gift. I didn't even. Oh, I love y'all, baby. I fucking love y'all. I appreciate that, like for real. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my Kendra Boutique flat iron, not flat iron, pressing comb. It goes up to 500, and I'm just gonna press my edges in. And look, I didn't even realize I still had some lace. I still had lace on here. I was like, what is this flat? It's a fucking lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off with the razor, the eyebrow archer razor thing. Using my Shiz Balm wax stick to super press out them edges, baby. Yes, ma'am. So now I'm finna take a little bit of my Evan freeze spray. Look, when I tell you that Evan freeze spray in the motherfucking red can is the truth, baby, got to be. I'm straight on y'all. Evan all the way. But yeah, anyways, I'm using the Evan to create just my little piece of a baby hair. I don't want to put too many baby hairs because I love the hairline on this wig. So I just use it to create just a little slither piece of a baby hair. So yeah, that's it for the install. So I'm finna go get my makeup done, right? Pow! Fuck is you saying? That's Mrs. Poke right there. Yes, baby, that install and that makeup together, them pink motherfucking contacts. You couldn't tell me that I wasn't from Hawaii or some shit. Like, whatever, Indonesia. Yeah, so that's my time. I thank y'all for watching and stay tuned for more. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, okay? I know a lot of people need my help. I'm here to help you.